Yo. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Liaquat Kids English Spoken School. This is me Aisha Meet and this is class 1 and 2 batch 6. I am very angry and upset that most of my students are doing their school and they are missing my class in Saturday especially. In morning it is happening the same. Nusaira is from my morning batch. She is doing class in evening for the school. Okay, never mind. Maybe in this month you have to do that like this. So now I'm going to show you the slide, what you have to do. Then I will let you know about the routine of the class. Wait a minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to show you the slide. Today we are going to do picture description. Okay. I'm going to do picture description and where is my picture? And I get it. Yes. I get my picture. So now I'm going to share the slide.
Miss.
Yes.
Look.
Can you see the slide?
Yes, Miss, but today was an exam.
Today you have your exam?
Yes, Miss.
How's your exam?
My homework.
Oh, you know about that. We have done this in our class. Bangladesh করেছিলাম না? এতে help হয়েছে তোমার। আচ্ছা, look. So this is a huge picture. So there are so many information over here. So you have to describe the picture in 15 lines. And Tafriha, turn on your video. So you have to describe the picture for 15 sentences. And one more thing, this is not water. In every class, every student asks me, Miss, is this water? No, this is not water. This is a soft pad. You know, soft floor mat, which use in the playground for safety. বাচ্চা যদি ঢাপুস টুপুস করে পড়ে সেটার জন্য এটাকে সেফটি করার জন্য। আর আবিদ কোথায়? Where is Abid? Abida?
I think she has Ashwin.
Okay, so now to do it. So you have to describe the picture within 15 sentences.
We have to write.
Yes, you have to write definitely. So start writing. And in this time, let me fix about today's class.
Miss, we have to write.
No, we have to eat it. Afriha, turn on the video. Definitely we have to write.
Miss, I'm joining my brother into a class.
So, turn on the video. Abida, I have to talk with you because I have to change the class time. Okay, do your class. দেখি একটা কি solution করা যায়.
Miss, what did you say?
Tafi, I'm not talking with you, I'm talking with Abida. And whatever you have joined from your brother's laptop, but it doesn't mean that you can join with the video.
Miss,
What means?
Miss,
What?
I
Yes.
didn't join in my brother's laptop. It's my laptop, but my brother, I joined my brother into another class.
Miss, I'm Saturday that Sunday তে।
Miss, what is the spell of guardian?
What?
What is the spell of guardian?
Guardian? Which guardian? অভিভাবক?
Yes.
Oh, Guardian, guardian. আর I was thinking gardener, মানে বাগানের মালি, এটা জিজ্ঞেস করেছো। আচ্ছা, আবিদা, আমি ক্লাসে পরে কথা বলবো তোমাদের সাথে। You know what? I am with my aerosol spray. You know why? I'm going to kill a beetle. A ladybug maybe. There is a big one. And I'm fighting with this insect. It suddenly came from my veranda and it attacked me. Okay, you do your work. In this time, I have to kill that insect by anyhow. And I'm just using these two things to kill it.
Miss. 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 Miss, I'm done.
Okay.
Miss, what is the English of Shetu?
What?
What is the English of Shetu?
Shiddo.
Shetu.
Shetu bridge. BRIDGE bridge. আর ওভার ব্রিজ হবে হচ্ছে তোমার যেটার মধ্যে মানুষজন হাঁটে। আর ফ্লাইওভার হলো যেটার মধ্যে ভেহিকলস যাওয়া আসা করে। দ্যাটস মিন হলো তোমার ফ্লাইওভার যেটা বড়টা।
Miss, what is the spell of statue?
STATUE statue.
Miss, what is the spelling of gardener?
What?
What is the spelling of gardener?
Wazid, I can hear your sound.
Miss, what is the meaning of gardener?
GARDENNIER.
Miss, can you say again? Miss, can you say again?
GARDENER.
Thank you, Miss.
Garden, just you have to add the ER.
Miss, I'm done.
So all of you have done? Okay, within 3 minutes, you all have to finish. Abida, Abid will not join today.
No, miss.
What happened? He's sick. Is he?
I don't know why, but
He's present at your home now?
yes.
It's okay. I will call, I will talk with him too before ending my class. You and with Abid. Abid is joining right now.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
What happened? You are joining after 30 minutes.
Sorry, miss. I'm like,
Why you are late?
Miss,
Yes.
I can't open my camera.
Okay.
Miss,
But
what is
we don't
the
need,
spelling?
we don't have enough time. So just at least write down 5 sentences about this picture a bit. Acha, who was calling me? Was he? Yeah. What happened?
Miss, what is the spelling of people?
P-E-O-P-L-E. Pupil. Pupil.
Thank you, Miss. Miss, my writing is done.
Okay, so can I ask you?
Yes.
Tafriha, don't take too much time for one slide. Nusaira, Tafriha, Abida, maybe you have done. So first, Nusaira, tell me.
We can see a playground. There is light on a mat and 2 toy cars. 6 kids are there. The guardians are sitting on the benches. Two men sells fruits. One dad's boys learn to him getting one lady walk with her dog. And another lady walk with her baby. There has a bridge it makes with wood. There has a statue and one man ride a cycle. One man have many balloons and a girl is by there. One lady is run in far and a boy walking his dog.
Okay, Tafriha.
In this picture, I see many children are playing. One is sliding and one is playing. One is cycling. Another children is skating with her parents. A man is riding bicycles. Two ladies are talking. One kid is giving an apple to an old man. One lady is talking to her phone. There is a river. In the river, there is a duck. Two men are picking up garbage. Also, there is a big tree. One man is there is a big statue. A lady is riding her dog. One man is looking at the river. Some people are exercising in the park.
Okay. Then Wazin, hurry up.
I can see a picture. The picture is about a playground. In the playground, there are kids, parents, trees, toys, and gardeners. The kids are playing and the parents are talking to each other. There is a bridge and some people are walking on the bridge. There is a man who's cycling up cycle.
Miss, where is slice, Miss?
Oh, the picture. Yes. Then Abida, say.
Where is
picture?
Oh, you want the picture. Look.
I see a picture. It's about park. There are many children. They come with their parents and grandparents. Some children are playing. Some children are skating with their father, their parents. I see two men. They're gardening. I see a small river. A boy looking at the river. There is a big statue. Two women are talking.
Can you please say louder, Abida?
There's two men, they're gardening. There's a small river and a bridge. In the bridge, a man looking at the river. There's a big statue and a tree. There's two women are talking. A girl is riding.
Okay, so now who is left? Wazin, you said?
Me, Miss.
Abid, say.
I can see a hawker. He's selling a balloon. He's selling some balloon. And then I can see girls. He is cycling in the park. Then I can see two men. They are working in the park. Then I can see many children. They are playing in the park.
That's great. Okay, no worries. So now, this is the last class on adjective. In previous class, we have done this, and this is the last class of adjective. Okay, so here you can see 1 to 10, fill in the blanks. And what you have to do, there's no clue or not extra blanks, or there are no extra words. You have to put your word by yourself. You have to put adjective words here to fill the blanks. Number 1, James' homework was not very dash. It's very easy.
Very
The dash
good.
athlete lay on the floor. Athlete was a person. সে বিছানায় শুয়েছিল, মাটিতে শুয়েছিল. Number 3, the building's stairs are. বাড়ির সিঁড়িগুলো খুব বেশি dash. Number 3, Sila has a dash decorated notebook. Silaর একটি decorated notebook আছে. এখন এটার অ্যাডজেক্টিভ তোমরা করবে. Number 5, I was not dash with the way things went. আমি কাজগুলো দিয়ে যেভাবে যাচ্ছে সেভাবে ড্যাশ না. দ্য ড্যাশ ক্রাউড এনকারেজ দ্য প্লেয়ার্স. জনসমুখ অনেক বেশি জনগণ মিলে কি করছে, এনকারেজ করছে প্লেয়ারদেরকে. ইউর ওয়ার্ডস আর ভেরি ড্যাশ. তোমার কথাগুলো খুব হোয়াটএভার. আচ্ছা, তোমরা লিখবে. দেন টুমরো ইজ গোয়িং টু বি আ ড্যাশ ডে. আগামী কালটা খুব ড্যাশ হবে. ড্যাশ হবে. ড্যাশ হবে. ওকে, চার্লস ড্যাশ সোয়েটার ইজ মিসিং. চার্লের ড্যাশ সোয়েটার হারিয়ে গেছে. নাম্বার 10, ডাইলান্স ফাদার হ্যাজ আ ড্যাশ সুটকেস. ডাইলান্স এর ফাদারের একটা ড্যাশ সুটকেস আছে. ওকে, এই ড্যাশ 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 গুলোকে ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফিল আপ উইথ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ওয়ার্ড. ওকে, ড্যাশ. What is this? All of you just switch off your video.
Okay, then.
Nusaira, what happened to you? Nusaira. Okay. And of course, you have to write the sentences. Sentence অবশ্যই লিখতে হবে. এটাই লাস্ট লাইন. সেন্টেন্স লিখে তোমাদেরকে অবশ্যই এটার answer you have to write. Definitely you have to write down the sentence and with the answer.
Miss 2 নাম্বারটা কি?
Acha, Abid, you asked me the dash athlete. Athlete, you know who are the athletes? They show their gymnastics. Not the gymnastics. Athlete can join the surf game. They can do the high jump, low jump, then the long run. Many kinds of racing they used to do. তো অ্যাথলিটটাকে তোমরা স্ট্রং বলতে পারো, উইক বলতে পারো, টায়ার্ড বলতে পারো, এই ধরনের অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইউজ করতে পারো বোঝানোর জন্য.
What is the meaning of 2 numbers?
I just minute again ago I may understand a bit. Athlete, the people who used to do many physical activities and many racing activities, who used to join in the surf game like high jump, long jump, then short jump, তারপর হচ্ছে volleyball, then throwing ball, many kinds of activity they used to do. So তুমি এই অ্যাথলিটকে টায়ার্ড বলতে পারো, or strong বলতে পারো, weak বলতে পারো, যে dash athlete lay on the floor. Dash athlete মানে স্ট্রং অ্যাথলিট বা উইক অ্যাথলিট বা টায়ার্ড অ্যাথলিট মাটির উপর শুয়ে পড়েছে, মানে একটা এক্সাক্টিভ তোমাদের দিতে হবে।
Miss. Miss, what will I do?
Tafriha, don't you know what you have to do?
Miss, net চলে গেছিল।
Talk nicely, please. You have to write down the adjective word here. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
So, Tafriha, do you understand what you have to do?
Yes, Miss.
Thank you.
Miss, what is the meaning of two number?
I said how many times the meaning of two number? Athletes are people who used to do many physical activities, very many sports games activities like high jump, long jump, any kinds of sports activity they used to do. They used to join surf, international competitions. So you can write athlete. This is the name of designation যারা কিনা বিভিন্ন প্রতিযোগিতায় শারীরিক বিভিন্ন গেম খেলে থাকে। So you can write strong athlete or weak or tired athlete. Basically এখানে হবে হলো the tired athlete lay on the floor. যে উনি টায়ার্ড হয়ে গিয়েছিল, যে কিনা মেঝেতে শুয়ে পড়েছিল। গেট ইট নুসাইরা?
Uh, Miss,
Yeah.
what is this author?
TIRED.
Miss done. Miss, what is the meaning of three number? Miss done. Miss, what
Okay,
is the
so you have done
Miss, what is the meaning of three number?
the building stairs. বাড়ির সিঁড়িগুলো অনেক বেশি ড্যাশ। Okay, within 5 minutes you have to finish.
Miss, what is the meaning of five number? Yes, color is
My favorite fruits. তাদেরকে ভিতরে নিয়ে যাওয়া হচ্ছে আপনি চেষ্টা করছে কিন্তু পারে নাই। ঠিক আছে, তাদেরকে ছোটাতেই পারে নাই। আমি সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিওটি দেখছি এবং কি আপনারাও দেখলেন, আপনাদেরকে দেখালাম লাস্ট পর্যন্ত এরা নাকি মারা গেছে, এরকম একটি ভিডিও আমরাও দেখতে পাচ্ছেন তাদেরকে লাস্টের যে তাদের ডেড বডি, যাকে যেটা বলা হয়, এই ডেড বডিটাই আমরা লাস্ট পর্যন্ত দেখতে পেয়েছি। আসলে মূলত ঘটনাটা মানে তারা শারীরিক মিলামেশা করার সময় মানে তাদের ওটা আটকে গেছিল, এরকম কারণে তাদের নাকি লাশ পর্যন্ত আর ছোটাতে পারেনি, রক্তক্ষরণ হয়ে তারা মৃত্যুবরণ করেছে। সকলে ভিডিও সবাই দেখা শুরু করে।
Yes. Nusaira, Abhi, turn on the video. So you have done. I have to discuss about the answer.
Yes, miss.
Okay, let me discuss the answer. Number 1. James' homework was not very. What do you have written?
Not very well.
Easy.
Easy, yes. Number 2. As I told you, tired. The tired athlete lay on the floor. Number 3. The building stairs are too
Small.
no.
Miss.
Yes.
Strong.
Too high. সিঁড়ি strong দিয়ে কি হবে? Was it your network is too bad today? Celia has a dash decorated notebook.
Too dirty.
Dirty decorated?
Beautiful.
Dirty decorated. Wonderful হয়, nice হয়, beautiful হয়, dirty decorated notebook কিভাবে হয়?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, nice. আচ্ছা। I was not dashed with the way things went. I was not happy. আমি happy না যেভাবে কাজগুলো যাচ্ছে। The dash crowd, the huge crowd. Okay. Number 7. Your words are very
Loud.
Yes, তুমি positive দিতে পারো, negative দিতে পারো. Your words are very rough, or your words are very impressive, or your words are very কি বলা যেতে পারে?
Nice.
Rush, harsh.
Bad.
আমি harsh দিলাম। Nice তো এটা দিয়েছি যে তোমার কথাগুলো অনেক harsh. Important. Oh, yes. Tomorrow is going to be a dash day. Busy day,
Nice.
hectic day, nice day, sunny day.
Nice day.
আমার busy day, আমি busy লিখলাম।
Holiday.
Hectic, nice, whatever you want to do. আমার exhausted day হতে পারে. It's my plan. Exhausted day, busy day, hectic day, tired day, boring day, whatever. Number 9. Charles' dash sweater is missing. এটা তুমি Charles এর color দিতে পারো। আমি color দিলাম red sweater. Or number 10. Dylan's father has a dash suitcase. Big or small. I give it big. Okay? So that's all. The thing is, adjective means noun ta keroko. So you can choose any type of adjective, but it has to be make sense. চারটা আমরা দিতে পারবো না। এখন যদি আমি দেই homework এ আমি যদি Charles dash sweater is missing. Charles আমি যদি এই জায়গায় দিলাম হলো Charles কি সোয়েটার দেওয়া যায়? না, এখানে যাই দিব আমার অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হয়ে যাবে। মানে তুমি এখানে নাউন দিতে পারবে, এখানে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইউজ করতে হবে। ওকে, তো টেক দ্য স্ক্রিনশট। Okay, so that's all for today. I have to talk with Abid and Abida about the class and all of you too. So did you take the screenshot?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Acha, now I have to talk about the